So we picked up some Auxbeam R4 little pod lights, little ambers. I want to put them on the Jeep. I think here's what's going to happen. I've got these holes. I put little plugs in them. But I have these holes right in front of the winch, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount them right in that spot there on either side of the winch. I can still get to the control to engage and disengage the spool. It'll be in the front. I can point them where I need to, and I think it'll be all right. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I like that. Much like in the snorkel install video, I have to get that guy and that guy out. Take the snorkel tube off because the factory wiring for the auxiliary switches is way down in there. And that's in the way, but that's okay. Now that we've got the snorkel out of the way, our harness for the factory switches is right there. I'm gonna wrap this up a little better too because I didn't have the right protecting stuff, right stuff to protect it. It's not bad, but I don't like that it's against that. So I'm gonna protect that, wrap that up, and then we'll dig that out and start wiring this puppy up. And now we've got our harness exposed, ES1. It all says ES1, so nothing is fancy. I would assume the fatter wires are for the 40 amp circuits and these two are for the 15 amp circuits. These bad boys are bright, very bright. But what I did was I ran the wires up through here. It came up underneath the snorkel. Got it wired. I'll clean this up. Wired to the switch number 3, ground. So now it works with aux 3. Now that we've got the wiring tucked away and the ground hooked up, let's make sure somehow we didn't mess anything up. Let's hit aux 3. Oh yeah, we good. I have to aim them, but looking good. Let's put our snorkel back on and button her up.